All parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned India's action in occupied Kashmir, describing the territory as an open prison and military cantonment since 2019. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said that India has failed to address the Kashmir dispute and deprived the people of the fundamental rights. India has deployed Permanent Commando Unit of the National Security Guard, also known as the Black Cats, in occupied Kashmir in view of the growing armed resistance in the region. The deployment of the NSG has been made to ensure the quicker response to the emergencies, eliminating the previous delays in the deployment from Delhi or Chandigarh. Indian forces have arrested several youth during massive cordon and search operations and house raids in multiple districts of the occupied Kashmir. The personnel from the Indian Army, Paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force, Border Security Force, and the police conducted large-scale crackdowns in 56 areas across Rajouri, Poonch, Udhampur, Doda, and Reasi districts. The operations primarily targeted the civilians, particularly the peace and the freedom activists. Occupied Kashmir is enduring prolonged, unscheduled power outages as the winter electricity demand climbs to 2200 megawatts while the supply remains at 1500 megawatt. The shortfall is attributed to the preferential transmission of the power generated from the territory's water resources to the Indian states. Businesses are also reporting significant disruptions and financial losses due to the erratic power supply. Congress President for Occupied Kashmir Tariq Hamid Karra has firmly declared that the incomplete restoration of the statehood is unacceptable to the people of the territory. Speaking at an event organized by the Congress in the Rajouri, Karra demanded immediate and complete restoration of the statehood, rejecting any measures that allow New Delhi to retain control over the key positions.